Hi guys, so it's time to open the April Meebox. As you can see, this month's theme is Material Girl. We have a stamping plate, a Leighton Denny, a stamper and scraper, some nail art foil, as always your swatch sticks are included. We have a floss gloss, we have a Model's Own, and tucked away at the bottom here we have Mavala. So let's take a closer look now at what we got. So I always like to start with the nail art sort of items. So in this little pouch here you have your Moyu stamper and scraper. It's just one of these small ones, and the tiny plastic scraper as well. Now the stamping plate we have this time is Time Traveller, and that is the images that are included. That's some really nice, it's very different. It's not your standard stamping plate, it's very unusual styles that are on it, kind of bodice shaped. So they look like they should be able to cover even my large thumbnail, so it's certainly good to try that out. Another nail art item is this nail art foil from Sparkly Nails, and as you can see it is a black lace pattern as well. Polish wise we've been spoiled, we have got 4. So we'll start with your sort of standard colours. You have your black by Mavala. I literally just think it is called black by the looks of it, it's not got a particular name. We have a red by Floss Gloss, and this is called Gangster Boo. The Leighton Denny it's a really unusual shade of blue, almost like a turquoise. It's quite dark though, and this is called Get Your Coat. I will do live swatches of these so you can see them applied to the nail as well. And the final polish is this one by Model's Own. It's got this cute purple crystal on the top of the bottle as well. And this one is called Flilac, and it is a light lilac shade as you can see, but as I twist the bottle you can see the shimmer coming through. There's like a silvery soft purple shimmer coming through. So that was everything that was included with this month's Meebox. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.